Doctors agree that waist and belly fat measurements play a pivotal role when it involves addressing your health. The measure of how healthy your weight is with reference to your height is named the Body Mass Index (BMI). Losing weight has therefore never played a more important role in your safe health. By carrying around an outsized amount of unhealthy belly fat as compared to fat around your bottom and thighs causes you to a significant candidate for developing type 2 diabetes, heart problems, cancer of the breast, colon, and prostate. Obesity causes many thousands of wasted premature death per annum and reduces anticipation by a mean of 9 precious years. By following a scientifically proven weight loss diet plan and performing smarter fitness exercises, obesity problems are often quickly addressed. It is recommended that adults get a minimum of 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic physical activity hebdomadally. This is often calculated as half an hour each day for 5 days. You benefit by reducing your stress, sweating out toxins, and pumping up your pulse. A number of the good benefits are lower risk of heart problems, diabetes, better control of your weight, stronger bones, mental alertness, and therefore the addition of precious years to your life. The following successful losing weight secret tips have proven to be very effective for fast weight loss and to rapidly obviate belly fat. People that are obese are likely to wish more physical activity than the minimum sets of repetitions so as to substantially burn belly fat tissue and reduce quickly. To realize the simplest possible leads to a perfect fat-burning system, a wise weight loss diet may be a must. For anyone including moms with kids reception with not much spare time, these 6 fast weight loss exercises are often perfect. Do not forget to try some warm-up exercises like stretching and jabbing to urge your heart pumping, causing you to sweat a touch. Remember to chill down at the top of the fitness exercises. 1. Rope skipping. You'll burn approximately 200 calories with 20 minutes of skipping. When combined with other proven weight loss exercises, you'll find yourself losing weight from everywhere your body. The advantages of rope skipping are increased stamina, stronger heart, strong bones, and far more. You'll get to invest during a comfortable pair of trainers and begin skipping. 2. Hill walking. Since incline walking is different from normal walking, it challenges the muscles at the rear of your legs and bottom, which warms up, encouraging you to burn more calories. Fitness exercises like hill walking, elevated treadmill walking, and steps can all be grouped together as excellent sorts of incline walking. Walk quicker and rapidly burn more calories and fat. 3. Dancing. Fitness exercises like energetic dancing aren't only performed in clubs. You'll end up out of breath and rapidly burning fat the fun way without even feeling tired. This possesses to be absolutely the fun way of losing weight and appearance good on the floor also. 4. Resistance workout. Resistance training helps you build lean muscles. Lean muscles burn more fat and positively increases your metabolism. When combined with some cardio fitness exercises, you'll find that your fat-burning furnace gets really ramped up. To urge the foremost benefits from these weight loss exercises, perform the resistance weight loss exercises first, then the cardio training afterward to urge fast weight loss results. 5. Move your body. Get up and move your body. Watching hours of TV and snacking on unhealthy food isn't recommended. Do not be lazy, get up, walk around, do some fitness exercises during the ads, and so on. Once you add it up, you'll be amazed by the number of calories you've got burnt to successfully burn belly fat. It'll also help together with your digestion and as a result helps you to sleep better. You awaken feeling energized and alert. 6. Swimming. Many people find this to be one of their favorite weight loss exercises. This will be a fun calorie-burning exercise for the whole family. Swimming is often your ideal exercise if you've got mobility restrictions and knee problems. You'll find that these sorts of fitness exercises puts little strain on your joints and burn a huge amount of calories the fun way. If you're really uninterested and ashamed of carrying around your big fat stomach and can't find nice fitting clothes, expert assistance is at hand. If you're seriously thinking of losing weight and need to follow a simple system that's proven to burn belly fat, that simply works and is sustainable even for the lazy person, I encourage you to require action immediately and click on the link to urge your limited time free report before it's too late and ends. It's a weight loss diet, proven weight loss exercises, and far more. If you do not lose 5 to 14 pounds with this fast weight loss program in your first 10 days alone, I will be really surprised.